So we start out today's video with this DIY table. So they grab those popular TikTok ottomans. I swear I've seen these things everywhere. Okay, so there is the top of the table that they're mainly concentrating on. They're going to use those ottomans as the legs, which I think is really clever. So cute. Love the way that this turned out. Alright, so next up we have a DIY for a client. So they must be an interior decorator. So they took some pool noodles here, added them to an old painting, spray painted them gold. Wow. Oh, that is so beautiful. Actually would have liked to see that against like a black canvas in the background. I think that would have looked really cool. But I love their space. They have a lot of like silver and white tones. So here we have some type of furniture flip. So they used the infamous blankets hack for this one. Wow, that came out amazing. Very cool. And then we move right into a DIY by Miguel. So he has a canvas here. Some eyeballs. He's been using a lot of eyeballs lately. Spray painted those gold and added them right to the canvas, creating a really simplistic design that looks high-end, so beautiful, and very easy to replicate. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So here we have someone, I thought this was really interesting. She uses these beads and created this handbag. Look how cute that is. And then we have another DIY table. This one features some end tables. So definitely a DIY more on the advanced side. But just so you guys know, I like to share DIYs that, are perfect for every level. Whether you are a beginner, advanced, intermediate, we can all use some inspiration. And there are much easier ways to recreate, end tables. I've shared several on this channel before. So if you can't do this particular one, don't feel discouraged, because it is definitely on the advanced side. They look gorgeous though. I mean, he did go with like this really pretty ivory white color. Oh, amazing. I love this space with gold Decor, so pretty. And then here is that same creator. He likes to flip furniture. Sorry I don't have his, his socials, but here he is flipping a piece which he actually found in the street. Like someone was just throwing this away. And now he's turning into something amazing. And we all know the saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So if you got the skills, you can definitely find some nice pieces laying in the street. Ooh, he's taking it in a different direction with this black. Oh wow, look at the detailing on this. So you put in some new legs. I really like that color scheme. So there is the before and there is the after. Wow. Beautiful statement piece here. I can't believe he found that for free too, the original piece. All right, let's make a planter. So she has a tall gold vase here. She put her faux plant in there, some rocks. Nice, simple DIY upgrade. Wow, this person's house looks like it's straight from like a magazine ad or something. It looks beautiful. They definitely do not have kids. Where are all the toys scattered around? And everything's white and ivory like it's a museum or something. Oh, look at the cat. So I'm guessing those square pieces that she did there are styrofoam, and then she put some gold foil on this. Wow, this is beautiful. I love this concept. Very cool. And then we have a nice little easy centerpiece DIY, perfect for the spring. I bet those flowers smell amazing. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIYs with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.